Hey, what's up, XLM holder? So what's going on? This time today is very badly crypto market result. You can see here the all crypto market as very badly falls down. Only the Dutch coin is a unique cryptocurrency. Today are in the profit. I suggest you, my friend. I advise you if you invest in any cryptocurrency, this you are a researcher personally. But Dutch coin, I hope they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit because in this same time the Dutch coin is only unique to they going up very fastly, my friend. So this time very fastest cryptocurrency Dutch coin. Okay, we talk about the XLM to what's going on in XLM, why XLM also fails down, my friend, and what's my prediction to they going up in upcoming days or they going down. Oh, okay. So and I also share my opinion to sell, hold, or buy, my friend. This time we first of all check out the last our chart, but please I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Please click the red button. Thank you so much for subscription, my brother, my friend. Thank you so much, and also like this video. Please like it. Okay, come to the point, my friends. If you can see here in the last 24 hour, every cryptocurrency has very badly fails down, my friend. Every cryptocurrency, oh yes, absolutely, this is right. Every cryptocurrency has very badly fails down, my friend. I draw a two line, you can see here, and I tell you my prediction, my friend. First of all, I have 3 year experience in crypto market, and I use this tip absolutely everywhere. Then I cannot lose in any time. Therefore, I hope you also be safe from any loss, my friends. Axillum, you can see here the circulation. Absolutely, they when they fails down this point, you can see here this is the fails point. But after this, they take a very high jump, my friends. After this fall, they take a high jump. So everyone understand to this is the circulation of falls and down. Your falls and jump. Absolutely, you can see here after a jump, they take a very bad falls. But after a fails, they take a jump. So this is circulation. So my friends, they are just moving up. Exactly, they are moving up, my friend. And those days, so if you could, so if everyone understand that they're going up, then absolutely you can see here this time why the change occur and negative. Why the change occur and negative? I told you, my friends, to why they this time the change occur and negative. Okay, let's see the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour. If you can see here in the last 1 hour chart, my friend, they can show you to this is absolutely this, let's drop a circulation to what's going on, my friend. This time you can see here they fails down and they're going up. Exactly, this time minus 2.02%. This is just negative, so this is not a big okay, my friend. This time if you can see here they're moving up, but sometimes they take absolutely very bad fall, where not a bad falls, very bad fall, just a small, you can see here small falls. But after a small falls they also take a jump. Everybody understand this take a jump absolutely in upcoming days. This time the price as 0.55053 at US dollar. I our target is 1 US dollar, my brother. Our target is 1 US dollar. I hope they can hit it just in a second month. Absolutely, exactly. If they're moving on this side, then absolutely, if this circulation continuously going up, then they can hit easily 1 US dollar. So our first target is 1 US dollar, but our second target is very high. Our second target is 50 USD dollar in the 2025, my friend. I hope they can hit it. Please, what you say? What your opinion? To this is selling time or buying time? My opinion is absolutely this is to this time to buy it and hold it and wait for a good time. And if you are already buy it, then please hold it. Be safe from more loss they give you. I hope in upcoming days good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel. Please subscribe. I hope you subscribe. Okay. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.